Prime Minister Modi is back in charge, and as is his wont, he has hit the ground running. After a thunderous welcome by the PMO staff today morning, he signed his very first file authorizing the release of the 17th installment of the PM Kisan Nidhi funds amounting to nearly 20,000 crore rupees additional. This will end up benefiting around 9.3 crore farmers. The Prime Minister said the decision reaffirms the fact that his government is fully committed to Kisan Kalyan, but the Congress was quick to brand it a PR and headline management exercise. Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh said that the Prime Minister has done no special favors to farmers by releasing the funds that were due to them a month ago, but was delayed by the poll code. In fact, even as we speak, the very first cabinet meeting of Modi 3.0 is going on, and these images that you see are from the meeting. The Prime Minister today gave out some clear messages when he was speaking to his staff in the Prime Minister's office, completely unaffected by the jibes at him by the opposition. Remember, today morning the Congress also said it has been 24 hours since the ministers were sworn in. Where are the portfolios? Is this the jitters which are beginning to tell? But completely unaffected, the Prime Minister said this time around, it's time to think bigger, it's time to do bigger for an office that is not a power center, but is the people's PMO.
दोस्तों, 10 साल पहले हमारे देश में एक छवि बनी हुई थी कि पीएमओ एक शक्ति का केंद्र है, एक बहुत बड़ा पावर सेंटर है, और मैं न सत्ता के लिए पैदा हुआ हूं, न मैं शक्ति अर्जित करने के लिए सोचता हूं। मेरे लिए पीएमओ सत्ता केंद्र बने, पीएमओ शक्ति केंद्र बने, ये न मेरी इच्छा है न मेरा वो रास्ता है। हमने इसको एक कैटलिक एजेंट के रूप में ही डेवलप करने की कोशिश की है। वो कैटलिक एजेंट के यहां से ऊर्जा प्रसारित होती रहे, यहां से नई नई चेतना प्रसारित होती रहे, जो पूरे तंत्र के अंदर एक प्रकार से विद्युत की तरह नई चमक दे, नई रोशनी दे, नई सामर्थ्य दे। और मेरी कोशिश रही है कि पीएमओ ये सेवा का अधिष्ठान होना चाहिए, पीएमओ ये पीपल्स पीएमओ होना चाहिए, ये मोदी पीएमओ नहीं हो सकता। जो मन भाव से खप जाना चाहता है 5 साल, आइए, निमंत्रण है। और हम मिल करके दोस्तों एक ही लक्ष्य, नेशन फर्स्ट, एक ही इरादा 2047 विकसित भारत। और मैंने पब्लिकली कहा है, मेरा पल पल देश के नाम है। और मैंने ये भी वादा किया है देश को 24/7 फॉर 2047। जिस सपनों को और संकल्प को लेकर के चले हैं उसको हम परिपूर्ण कर सकते हैं। 10 साल का मेरा अनुभव है, जो तय किया उसको हम करके रहे हैं। कल क्या थे और आज कितना अच्छा किया, वो वक्त चला गया दोस्तों। पहले 5 पर थे, अब 10 पर पहुंच गए, वो वक्त पूरा हो चुका है। अब दुनिया इस विषय पर यहां पर है, और ये इससे आगे कुछ नहीं है, तो उसके आगे हम होंगे। जहां कोई नहीं पहुंचा, वहां हमारे देश को हमें पहुंचाना है। और व्यक्ति के जीवन में हो, समूह का जीवन हो या राष्ट्र का जीवन हो, जब तक वो बड़े संकल्प के साथ सोचता नहीं है, परिणाम नहीं मिलता।
Well, the Prime Minister may have given the message of leaving the past behind and looking forward at positivity and what should be done for the country, but the criticism continues ever since the NDA's results and the government formation being absolutely clear. The Congress's first family has been conspicuous with their silence. Mamata Banerjee went into darkness during the oath-taking ceremony. TMC MP Sagarika Ghosh said that the West Bengal Chief Minister switched off all lights and sat in darkness during the entire ceremony. The TMC chief had earlier refused to congratulate what she called an unconstitutional government.
इसी के लिए मैं सॉरी, हम ये जो गवर्नमेंट पूरा अनडेमोक्रेटिकली, अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली, इलीगली गवर्नमेंट बना रहे हैं, हम उसको शुभकामना नहीं दे सकते हैं। आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट। हमका शुभकामना देश के लिए रहेगा कि लेट अस होप फॉर द बेस्ट। हम एमपी लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट करने चाहेंगे, जो भी पार्टी है, आपका पार्टी को मजबूत बनाओ। अभी बीजेपी को समझना है कि इसको पार्टी तोड़ना अच्छा काम मत करो, पहले आपका पार्टी तोड़ जाएगा। हमने नहीं तोड़ेंगे, आपका अंदर से जाएगा। आपका अंदर का सब आदमी खुश नहीं है।
देखिए, तो कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्टिव वर्क में तृणमूल आपको नहीं मिलेगा। ऐसे नेगेटिव वर्क में कुछ तोड़ना फोड़ना बंद करना तो तृणमूल कांग्रेस रहेगा, ही स्वाभाविक है। लेकिन ममता बनर्जी को, आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को लाइट ऑफ करने से पहले थोड़ा सावधानी से करना चाहिए। कब कौन उनके ही घर में उनको धक्का ना दे दे बाथरूम में, इससे पहले भी हुआ था, आपको याद है, उनको चोट लगी थी। तो सावधानी से करना चाहिए। हम चाहते हैं कि वो 100 साल जिए।
Well, a cabinet briefing is expected any time now. The cabinet meeting is going on, the visuals of which you see on your screen. The entire Modi cabinet, 71 ministers in all, and every single aspect has been taken care of. The caste calculation, the allies' concerns. This time around, the number of allies who have been accommodated in the Council of Ministers is 11, which is almost double of what was seen in 2019. But the big question remains, who will get what portfolio? Several new names are there in the Union Council of Ministers. There are as many as half the ministers from 2019 who haven't been repeated. Some of them, in fact, lost their elections. Some of them weren't given a ticket, and some have not found a place despite having won their election. So what is going to be the big message amidst the mandate after the mandate given to the NDA government? Let's take this across to the guest joining us now. Anuja Kapoor, spokesperson of the BJP, Varun Singh, political analyst, Rohan Mitra, political analyst. Anuja Kapoor, Jairam Ramesh today morning said 24 hours, no portfolio. Jittery much?
Jai Shri Ram. Good evening to all of you. I would also ask him, Jairam Ramesh ji, what about your LOP? Where is it? What about rupees 8,500? You were about to give to your beneficiaries. You were also about to give rupees, 1 lakh rupees. Where is it? People are coming to you. And the women are opening up their bank accounts. So hang on. The portfolios are secure. Think about yourself. This is the Viksit Bharat 2047 portfolio coming up. This is the portfolio of NDA, New India, Developed India, Aspirational India. You will be looking into the near future of 2029, where again, Modi ji has come up with the exceptional new manifestos, which has already been discussed about in BJP.
Okay.
We are standing in the sight of looking into a developed India. Because this is where we talk about Sabka Saath and Sabka Vikas.
Okay, so answer that, Rohan Mitra.
Yes.
It's been so long since the election results. No LOP. Jittery much?
Padmaja, I'm laughing. This is a TV debate. This is not a political rally or a Nukkad rally. The BJP counterpart, her whole content was kind of what we speak in the election rallies or in this thing. What she's talking about, 2029 manifesto. Hello. First of all, the leader of the opposition is elected.
Jairam Ramesh said that portfolio is not announced means BJP is jittery. You also haven't announced your LOP. Are you jittery?
Let me finish. Yes,
One at a time. Let's talk about portfolios versus LOP.
It's a very, I'm just coming. Padmaja, Mr. Jairam Ramesh is a very eloquent man. He's been putting up issues which have been relevant throughout this election. What he said the Gandhi, what has happened with Mahatma Gandhi, he said, this is the same BJP who used to have, if you see Sadhvi Pragya and these kind of MPs who used to criticize Mahatma Gandhi, and the Prime Minister never, took them up. The same Prime Minister who said Mahatma Gandhi wasn't known to the world until
the point. Let's come to the portfolios, or we'll keep going beating around the bush.
No, let me come.
Portfolios are going to be announced very soon. In fact, we are already learning. The breaking news coming in right now. The first decision, hold on a second, it's been less than 24 hours since the swearing in of the ministers of Modi 3.0, and the first decision has already been taken in the morning. In fact, the first decision was taken that was related to the Kisan Samman Nidhi, and now the second decision has been taken in the cabinet meeting that is underway. It started at 5 p.m. and the decision is to provide assistance to construct 3 crore rural and urban houses under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. This scheme, of course, has been in place since 2015-2016. Let's get a quick lowdown on this decision vis-a-vis Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana from Pragya joining us now. Yes, Pragya.
Padmaja, we have been speaking about this since morning, and we are saying that the draft was ready, in fact, and this is one of the agenda on the cabinet briefing. So we broke this in the morning itself, saying that this is the draft ready with the cabinet and they're going to take decision. Remember, Prime Minister time and again in his interviews during the election, he spoke about how important these houses are and what does it do to the lives of the people. It gives them confidence, it gives them the dignity and self-respect also. And you know, what transformation in the lives of the people. And he said that we are going to take this forward. We are going to build 3 crore more houses under Pradhan Mantri Awas Gram Yojana. It seems like Prime Minister has done that, and all the Garib Kalyan is the core of the Prime Minister's policies now, and he has said this time and again that in my ministry the life of dignity of women, the Garib Kalyan should be the core, and this is the 2 decisions that have been taken today. First, Prime Minister disbursed 17th installment to 9.3 crore farmers of Kisan Samman Nidhi, which amounted to rupees 20,000 crore. Now second is the decision to extend this housing scheme to poor residing both in urban and rural areas. So obviously policies, first decision in the cabinet looking at the lives of the poor both in the rural and urban areas, saying that you have a right to dignity and we will give you the houses, 3 crore houses more to be given to these poor.
So one thing becomes absolutely clear, that welfareism is going to mark the next 5 years. Varun Singh, but a lot of talk is happening now about how the allies are not happy. Yes, the development agenda is happening. First people said that NCP is not happy. Now some rumblings in Shiv Sena are also being reported.
No. NCP is pretty happy. Ajit Pawar just announced in his 25th Foundation Day celebration that he is very much part of the NDA. Even Eknath Shinde held a meeting with his MLAs. Over there, the discussion was what went wrong and what new should be done so that they can retain these seats. So all the allies are there, and if you see the tone of all the allies of the NDA parties, NDA alliances, they all are in sync. Or to be honest, I would say for the first time I'm seeing almost everyone, including Nitish Kumar to Chandrababu Naidu to Chirag Paswan, everyone is talking or singing the same tune. And you know, 3 crore homes, as I had, being a journalist who has covered real estate, housing is something that is very important. यहाँ पे घर मिल जाए लोगों को, they feel very secure and protected. And I'm happy that the government, in spite of the narrative being that they provided homes to certain people of a community but didn't receive votes from them, they have still gone ahead and stuck to their main agenda of providing housing. Because एक बार पक्का घर आ जाता है तो security आ जाती है, and that is the biggest concern for a common middle class or a lower middle class person.
So Rohan Mitra, they've hit the ground running. They've already announced Kisan, schemes for Kisan. Now for Garib Kalyan, you have expanded the ambit of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. It's going to be extended to the rural poor and the urban poor.
Padmaja, I was trying to answer your question about the leader of the opposition,
Yes.
If you remember, when Karnataka finished its polling and Congress won, how long did it take the BJP to declare their leader of the opposition? So, this is a coalition. The Congress is a part of the coalition. The Congress is the largest party. The Congress would definitely, consider all the things and talk to the allies and then come with the LOP. Let the government form, let the parliament come.
So the same applies to the portfolio allocation also.
The question
same applies to. I am just holding you to your logic, because the senior leader of the Congress said 24 hours later no portfolios. मतलब कि दाल में काला है.
The BJP. No, because I'll tell you why. The BJP spokesperson was talking about a lot of things, He was talking about the opposition. We don't know who the speaker is going to be. The TDP wants a speaker. So is the BJP confirming that the TDP is getting the speaker? So they can't say that. So why they are asking us who the LOP is? You know, there are things which need to be said out, and these are the things which the opposition today is speaking on those issues.
Okay, both Varun Singh and Anuja Kapoor want to respond, but only 10 seconds I can give to both of you. Varun Singh, only 10 seconds, and then Anuja Kapoor needs to answer. Yes.
You know, I don't know the person who's talking about LOP and the speaker. Does he even understand how the procedure works? LOP cannot be given to an alliance partner of India Alliance when there is a bigger party. 99 MPs with Congress, they only have to have LOP. They cannot give it to another alliance partner. And the Speaker of the House will be decided. It will be both the sides putting up candidates. Whosoever gets the majority of votes will be the Speaker of the House. You don't announce Speaker of the House. I was like, this is the basic of our democracy. They should have understood this.
Anuja Kapoor.
I would just say congratulations to all of you. People's PMO is here and he's going to stay for a longer period. You are looking at Gyan, Garib, Youth, Antyodaya, Nari Shakti, Kisan. So this is a promising government, the government of development, aspiration, and this is where we are talking about Viksit Bharat.
Okay.
This is where we are talking about the
But you're sure there are no fights happening in
your
your alliance? Everyone's talking about fights in your alliance.
So 2014 was NDA, 2019 was NDA, 2024 is NDA. Where, I don't know, this news are coming up. If it is, you could have seen that we have just finished with the 2 new catch for all the people around. We have shown our consolidated, our inclusive government, and that is why people voted for Modi government, Modi alliance, NDA. This
All
is
right,
where
I
we
will leave it
stand,
at that. The
unlike-
meeting is still ongoing, but even if there are differences, it's with quite some speed that at least 2 decisions have already been taken in the last 24 hours of government formation. For the time being, thanks very much, both gentlemen, Anuja, for joining me.